Tomatoes' health benefits. 1. Tomatoes aid with cancer prevention. Lycopene in tomatoes, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research, may be responsible for the fruit's anti-cancer qualities. Lycopene belongs to the carotenoid family of antioxidants. Its powerful antioxidant effects have been discovered to neutralize free radicals produced in our systems for a variety of causes. Even laboratory studies suggest that tomato components inhibit the growth of various cancer cell types. 2. Tomatoes lower blood pressure. Tomato lycopene has also been demonstrated to lower blood pressure. Tomatoes are also high in potassium, a mineral that has been shown to decrease blood pressure. This is due to the fact that potassium counteracts the effects of sodium. In fact, the more potassium you eat, the more sodium you excrete in your urine. Aside from that, potassium reduces blood pressure by lowering tension in the walls of your blood vessels. The American Heart Association recommends a daily potassium consumption of 4,700 milligrams for an average adult. However, excessive potassium consumption may result in kidney stones. 3. Tomatoes help with weight loss. Tomato juice, according to Chinese research, can considerably reduce body weight, body fat, and waist circumference. It can also reduce cholesterol levels, which might lead to weight gain. Tomatoes are high in fiber and low in calories, in addition to being high in antioxidants. As a result, they enhance satiety and even lower calorie consumption, assisting with weight reduction. 4. Tomatoes are good for your skin and hair. Tomatoes are a key element in many cosmetic treatments. They aid in the treatment of big pores, acne, sunburn, and the rejuvenation of dull skin. Tomato antioxidants, particularly lycopene, protect against cellular damage and skin irritation. Tomatoes may also be used as an astringent and to enhance face texture. They eliminate extra oils from your skin and keep your face looking fresh for a longer period of time. Simply combine the juices of fresh tomatoes and cucumber. Apply the juice to your face on a daily basis with a cotton ball. 5. Tomatoes are beneficial during pregnancy. Vitamin C is one of the nutrients that every pregnant woman requires to maintain herself and her baby healthy. It promotes the development of strong bones, teeth, and gums. This vitamin also aids in the absorption of iron in the body, which is an important nutrient during pregnancy. Though taking iron supplements during pregnancy is recommended, eating tomatoes can be beneficial. 6. Tomatoes lower cholesterol and improve heart health. It's lycopene all over again. Including lycopene-rich tomatoes in your diet on a daily basis for a few weeks will reduce your LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, levels by up to 10%. To be more specific, you should consume at least 25 milligrams of lycopene every day. This is around half a cup of tomato sauce. In addition, 100 grams of tomato puree contains 21.8 milligrams of lycopene. 7. Tomatoes protect against cigarette smoke. Smoking causes an increase in the formation of free radicals in the body, which may be effectively neutralized with vitamin C. This is why tomatoes can be beneficial to smokers. In this aspect, low vitamin C levels can lead to heart disease and cancer. According to the National Institutes of Health, non-smoking men and women require 90 milligrams and 75 milligrams of vitamin C on a daily basis, respectively, whereas smokers require 35 milligrams more. 100 grams of raw tomatoes provide around 13.7 milligrams of vitamin C. 8. Tomatoes enhance vision. Tomatoes are high in vitamin A, which is one of the reasons they are good for your eyes. Your eyes' retinas rely on vitamin A, and insufficient amounts of the vitamin can lead to blindness over time. Lycopene found in tomatoes protects your eyes from free radical damage. A 2011 study found that persons with greater lycopene levels had a decreased incidence of age-related macular degeneration. Lycopene also shields the eyes from UV rays. Vitamin C and copper are two more eye-healthy elements found in tomatoes. While the former may help prevent age-related cataracts, the latter aids in the production of melanin, the crucial black pigment in the eyes. 9. Tomatoes improve digestive health. Tomatoes are high in chloride, which is an important component of digestive fluids. One study also found that lycopene in tomatoes can help prevent stomach cancer. Tomato fiber also helps here. 100 grams of tomatoes include 2 grams of fiber, both soluble and insoluble fiber, which promotes digestive health. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods such as tomatoes can also aid in the treatment of gastritis, a disease in which the stomach lining becomes irritated. 10. Tomatoes aid with diabetes management. Tomatoes are an important element of the diabetic diet, according to the American Diabetes Association. This is due to its high iron content as well as vitamin C and E, both of which aid in the relief of diabetic symptoms. Tomatoes also have a low glycemic index, the propensity of a food to raise blood sugar levels, which is beneficial to diabetics. Long-term tomato supplementation has been associated with favorable benefits in people with diabetes mellitus, according to Indian research. Though further study is needed in this area, the findings are encouraging. An Iranian study found that eating 200 grams of raw tomatoes per day improved blood pressure levels in type 2 diabetic patients.